Thinking about buying Vivo's new triple monitor stand? Here are some things you should know before you make the purchase. This stand is VESA compatible, which refers to the measurement of the mounting holes on the back of your monitor screens. Before purchasing this stand, you'll want to make sure your monitors are either VESA 75 by 75mm or 100 by 100mm. If your monitor doesn't have VESA measurements, don't worry, there are plenty of VESA adapters out there to choose from. The design of the VESA plates for this stand makes installation a breeze. Simply attach the VESA plates to the back of your monitors and then slide the plates into place. We suggest installing the middle monitor first to increase the stand's center of gravity. This helps to keep them out stable during the installation process. The monitor arms have a very wide range of movement. One thing that you should be sure to avoid is pushing or spinning the monitors too far past the back of the stand. This can be a hazard, possibly causing the stand to fall over. This stand has integrated cable management, which helps keep your cables in place and your desk clear. Use the cable clips along the arms and the cable pathway down the center of the pole to organize your monitor's power and AV cables. If you have any more questions about this or another Vivo product, just contact our customer support. Thanks for watching.